Hello YouTube, I'm David with David West Channel. I wanted to show you this split log stove that I found on Kusk Bushcraft, K-U-S-K. Amazing. I wanted to see if I could reignite the original oak stove and boil some water. So we need to give it some more time. This split log stove is amazing. We got all this wind out here. We only have 1/3 of that can exposed to the flame, and it's boiling water. Now this is the original oak prototype. The first time I ever tried it, and we boiled about 8 ounces of water. This morning we have 16 ounces of water. And that little stove is doing a great job. When I stand in front of the wind right here. Oh look, it's our Bushcraft finger tongs. I'll leave a link down in the description that shows you how to make one of these. I bet you that'll make it boil really strong. Let's give it another chance to boil. Have you had to mow the grass yet? This will be about the 3rd time for me. We'll just let it boil and spill out and just see what it does on time lapse.